Hey friends, welcome back to the shop. One of the cool things that we love about Harold here, our 72 C10, is the original bench seat. However, the age-old problem is with bench seats, where do you put your drinks? That's pretty important out on cruises. And you really only have three options short of changing out the bench seat entirely to something where they have the built-in cup holders, or you're moving to bucket seats. Now, one of those options are this, where you're actually bolting it to the dash. However, in ours, we've got this cool classic Ranger speaker that was mounted in the truck prior that I really like the look of, so that takes that option out. Then the second option are those that actually bolt up underneath the bench seat. So the cup holder really kind of sits there on top of the hump. The problem with that is the days that, hey, we want to really sit next to one another there on the bench, Dana slide over, and we're just comfortable with each other, or the days that we're going to go visit a drive-in with Harold. That's really not conducive to being able to sit next to one another. So your third option is to go with one of these. This is from Classic Consoles, and it sits there on the bench seat itself. Now, when I started to look at these online, there were no videos, just photos, and of course the photos were in something else other than a C10. So I figured, hey, if I'm also curious how this may look in a C10, others may as well. And that's why I wanted to make this video for anybody else that's looking at this particular product, to be able to get a closer look at it, also to see how it fits on these bench seats. Now, this particular console that we decided to buy is the BC Cruiser console by Classic Consoles. However, we did not purchase directly from Classic Consoles. I found this through another retailer's website, and I did not realize who it was made by until getting it and finding the tag on the bag. Then I decided to go out and look, because I wanted to make sure that did I get the best deal for this if it's just resold by someone else. And sure enough, I ended up buying this from Cup Holders Plus at a lower price than Classic Consoles was selling it. And what's also cool is I was able to request 5 different color samples from them first at no cost to kind of determine which one I wanted to go with that best match the bench and the grain for it. Before I show you how it looks in the truck, let's go ahead and do a closer look of the console itself. All right, let's walk through this. So all of this is automotive grade vinyl. Stitching, padding, everything is very nice. Your cup holders are chrome. If you order through Classic Consoles, then you have the choice of the different colors. You do not have that through Cup Holders Plus, but that's okay. A little bit of chrome didn't hurt anybody. Stitching all the way to the front. You do have a couple of options in regards to height on this. After sitting down, taking some measurements, this one seemed to be the right one. This is the full size based on where our arms are going to go. Speaking of arms, right there on the top of the console, it's all padded, opened inside, really nice hinge. Everything is felt inside. This strap here is what's actually going to be used to hold it down to the bench seat. And you got a little holder here for any type of personal documents. It's a nice little touch. Really comfortable, not too soft where your arm sinks in all the way. It is very sturdy. All the way to back. All right, let's take a look in the inside. All right, as I was getting ready to put this on the seat and buckle it down to the seat, I discovered the weak point. This strap right here was held in by 2 staples. So as soon as I ran the strap around and started to tighten it up, it broke free. So go ahead and do this. Go ahead and just pull that strap out if you get this, and replace it with a washer and a long enough screw to get bite to it. All right, that's how it looks. In my opinion, perfect size. And this gives you a good idea of how it sits. And I'm 5'6", so it's a perfect height for us. All right, for the size visual, there's a 28-ounce Powerade. It still has a little bit of room left over in the cup holder. Now, one thing that I am not particularly a fan of is how much this shifts. Now, I've got it cranked pretty tight as far as the strap there around the seat, but still it moves this much. It stops there, but it still moves quite a bit. So I think I'm going to try to run this strap around some of the springs underneath the seat and crank it down and see if it keeps this movement from happening. But yeah, I'm not a fan of that. All right, I think that fixed it. So I wrapped the strap around the springs underneath the bench and then cranked it down pretty good right here, but considering this is a flexible seat, it's very difficult to be able to get it completely locked down. But now it doesn't move, or at least very little compared to what it was before. So I think that'll work. All right, that wraps up another short but hopefully impactful episode. And if you find yourself, like I was, out researching these bench consoles and this was helpful to you, be sure to smash that like button to let us know. We certainly do appreciate it. And until next episode, take care, stay safe. We look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.